Hi guys, welcome you all to my yoga session. This is Priyanka Singh here again. Hope you all are doing good, staying home safely, enjoying homemade delicious food every day, and you are staying safe again, healthier. Yes. So nowadays, what is the main thing going on around us that we have to lose few kgs from ourselves. This is the main thing what most of the people are thinking of most of the time, because we have put on few kgs during this lockdown, and one who have not even put on, they want to just trim and look healthier and slimmer, right? So basically why I'm asking you, I'm telling you all these things, explaining because today's session is more focused on weight loss, right? So shall we start our weight loss session? So just before starting my weight loss session, I just want all of you to bring a gentle smile on your face, and let's start. So first, we'll place the palms at the heart center. Spine straight. I'll show you from side. Legs parallel to each other. Spine straight. Palms joined at the heart center. Elbows pointed either sides. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's chant Omkara's level 3 times to begin the session. Rub your palms together to generate enough warmth. Place the palms on your eye, cheeks, all across your body to feel the warmth of heat generated. Slowly open up your eyes with a smile on your face. Right? So welcome back once again. So one thing I would like to say you, while you practice yoga, few things you must take care of. First, yoga must be done in a loose cotton wear. It should not be tight, choking, suffocating wear. Secondly, it must be done in at least slightly air. It should not, at least AC should be avoided. Even if you are working out in fan, the fan speed should not be more than 2 to 3, because fan circulation, it's hampering your, means if you are sweating and it's fan is just working against your sweat, so that might affect your health, because sometimes you sweat heavily during yoga, sometimes you don't. So what happens when you sweat heavily, and the time when you don't sweat, the time you feel very cold because of the high speed of fan or AC, which causes you to catch cold and cough. So be careful and practice yoga on empty stomach, at least 2 to 3 hours of gap after your meal, right? So we'll start yoga session first with a warm up. Let's begin. Rotate your head clockwise. Breathe in. Rotate across left shoulder. Breathe out across your right. Continue. Breathing is across left. If you are working anti-clockwise, breathe out across right. Reverse. If you are walking clockwise, breathe in is across right shoulder. Breathe out across left. Relax. Now change your neck position. Here you have to breathe in center, breathe out, look towards your left side. Breathe in center, right. Continue. Now breathe in center again. Breathe out, tilt your head towards your right side of shoulder. See, here I am tilting my head, making the left side of neck stretched, rather shrugging the shoulder. Yes, many of we make mistake while reaching the right side of ear to the shoulder. We bring like this. No, this is not good right way. Rather, you have to stretch to the right side to feel the left neck stretched. Breathe out. Breathe in first. Then breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. That's all for the head warm up. Let's begin with the arms. See, you will place the palms on shoulders and elbows pointing outward. Start rotating your shoulders 15 times. So here breathe in it while going back, expanding your chest. Breathe out, coming forward. Breathe in is expansion. Breathe out is contraction. Very good. Continue. Do not forget to bring smile on your face. Keep on smiling. Even it's hurting, that's fine. You can stop, but do not stop to smile. And keep on synchronizing your breath along with your movement. Breathe in, out, breathe out, in. Breathe in, out, breathe out, in. And reverse. Same, try to touch the elbows while coming forward and elbows back as much as you can while going back. See, biceps are working, shoulders working. It giving your toned biceps. Many of we get bat wings, right? We get the flab over here, saggy biceps. So it reduces your sagness of biceps. And relax, release. Shrug your shoulders, up with breathe in, down with breathe out. See, immediate relaxation you will get. Once again, breathe in, breathe out, relax completely. Last one, stretch your arms outward and breathe in, edge outward, palms towards sides. Breathe out is bend your elbows only, not your arms. Elbows and bring it closer to your armpit. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue. See, within few rounds, my biceps, my cervical, even cervical started working. Cervical is your neck area extended up towards your skull and lower to where spine starts. Continue. So do not bring your elbows down. It shouldn't work like this. And all elbows should always be in line with shoulders. In line means in one straight line, right? In one straight line. Continue. Do follow me for 1 hour yoga session. I promise you'll feel immediate at least half kg of weight loss if done properly. And relax. Once again, shrug your shoulders up and down. Shoulders up and down. Now rotate your waist. Place the palms on your waist and start rotating your waist 8 times clockwise, 8 times reverse. Here also you can accompany your breathing. Breathe in, first half. Breathe out, later half. Relax. Done. So we have worked down on our head, then shoulders, then your waist. Now the time to work out on our legs, right? So we will walk simply on toes. On toes, you can look at my feet position. See, here I am walking on my toes. Do not put your heels down. Keep on walking. Keep on walking at the same time. Keep on smiling. And now walk slightly fast, like you jog at one fixed place. Slow and relax. Relax. That's all of the warm-up session. Now you can have sip of water. You can have your own towel so that you can sweat off your sweat, and then we'll start after a gap of 5 counts. Yes.